Everybody loves some cat
Does he work for the
cooks.
WWE?
Let's get you, yeah. Everybody loves some cat cooks. Let's make that money, yeah.
Welcome back to another episode of Cat Cooks Valentine's Edition. We have a live studio audience. Cat Cooks. I'm so happy to be back, and I have two very special guests here, Kelsey and Hannah. Everybody, all right, so Kelsey, please tell me a little bit about yourself and your cooking history, please.
Right. This week I just made my first lasagna. I'm really excited to see what Cat Cooks can bring to the table because I need to learn.
Awesome. And Hannah, how about you? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I like to cook and I like to bake, so I think this is right now.
Hell yeah! Let's go. Yeah. So we got here our Betty Crocker, and we love her.
She's our queen. Our queen.
She is our queen.
She's dead.
Okay. 1 stick of butter and 1 egg.
All right, sounds pretty easy. So we're gonna get started, and yeah, feel free to jump in, put whatever ingredients you'd like.
Let's add something.
Let's do it together,
Okay.
yeah.
Step 1. Heat oven to 375.
Got
Our
it.
lovely assistant, Jill. Can we clap for Jill, please?
Yeah. Step 2, drop dough by rounded teaspoons. Oh, wait. No.
Cookie
I'm
mix.
sorry.
Soften butter.
Oh, we should probably soften the butter, right?
Probably.
All right, you lovebirds. We're here on Valentine's Day, and you know what that means. We gotta talk a little bit about love. Am I right, ladies?
Of course.
Yeah. So, now I heard you got something pretty special for Valentine's Day, didn't you?
Aww.
News to me.
I got promposed too.
In a cute way.
It was
super
cute.
cute.
It was okay. So he made me. I'm gonna tell you the long story. So he made me close my eyes, and then he walked me in the house, and then there were cupcakes on the table, and it said prom in writing. And Harry Styles is my favorite, so it was Fine Line album themed. So it had all of the songs, like all the pictures representing the songs.
He's a keeper.
Yeah, he's okay.
Clap for Ethan.
First
The
and
first,
only.
last, and the last.
No, you go.
It's
It's
up
up
to
to you.
Oh,
It's all up
that's
to
just a
you.
lot of pressure, the egg.
This is 1/3 of the entire recipe, so you better get it right.
The pressure.
Yeah, I love it. It's a nice
Mic
egg.
drop.
Nicely done. Mic drop.
Yolk drop.
If you could describe your dream date, what would it be?
Do you know it? I've told you it before.
Does
It's
he
cool.
know?
Pressure.
Does he
You're the talent, not me.
My dream date is to go ice skating in Boston and then eat dinner at the top of the Hub, which is a restaurant at the top of the Prudential Center, which is now closing, so it's fine. But
My dream date?
Yeah.
Or just something that I've always wanted to do. I want to go horseback riding.
I'll take you horseback riding.
We should
Let's
go.
go on a date.
Okay, let's do it. That'd be fun.
And the boys can walk the horses around.
We'll clean the poop behind the back.
The boys clean the poop. I love it. Okay, and now it's time to add the final ingredient. And Betty Crocker, you better do us right.
This is beautiful.
Will it blend?
We are using new cast iron pans that we so kindly got for Valentine's Day, the 3 of us, shaped as a heart. So when you're using a new cast iron pan, you have to wash it, make sure you dry it immediately because cast iron doesn't like water. I just learned that. And before we put anything in it to bake it, we need to spray them thoroughly.
Season that. season that.
Get the sides.
Yep, got it.
Make sure you get it good.
Okay. Love that. All right, and while we put our dough in our pans, I want to know, Hannah, what is your favorite meal or dish or bake that you like to do or bake?
Well, I'm really good at making pasta Alfredo. Ethan knows.
Ooh.
Very nice.
So
It's very nice.
Kelsey, what's your favorite thing to make?
You ate it?
Yes.
Good?
So good.
I've been on a little health
It's like
kick,
a-
right?
Uh-huh.
So I've been meal prepping a lot, and I've been doing a ton of vegetables with some soy sauce and teriyaki sauce, and then putting it over some white rice.
That sounds so good.
that
I
sounds
love
Very
that.
good. Chicken, if I'm feeling like I can make it and not mess it up.
Well, my favorite thing that I've made recently, we just got an air fryer, and yeah, and it works so well for everything that you could possibly imagine, pretty much.
What'd you put in it?
We made scallops wrapped in bacon, and it was so. It just tasted like a professional chef made it, but all we did was wrap a scallop in bacon and throw it in the air fryer, and it just came out perfectly. All right, so now we are all set to throw these babies in the oven.
Is it preheated?
It is. I think so.
It says 8 to 10 minutes.
All right,
So we're gonna do that.
Preheat. to
let's
what-
do it.
what
Let's throw
temperature,
them in.
ladies? I think
All right, so we're gonna put this in the microwave and melt it for 30 seconds and stir it up and see what happens. I mean, hopefully it should melt.
You gotta do this.
All right, and here we are with our cookies out of the oven. And we're gonna go ahead and decorate them a little bit with some melted chocolate and some cute sprinkles.
Oh, yummy!
Ooh, that looks so good.
That's
Drizzle.
goodness. A drizzle.
And here are our final beautiful cookies.
Beautiful.
I'm ready to eat them. I'm
All
ready to
right,
eat them.
let's take a bite. Okay, ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Don't rush, right?
Amazing. Is it hot?
Oh, that's bomb.
Good. Thank
Oh,
you,
bye-bye.
Betty Crocker.
Feed the
Again.
dead.
Yay.
Our queen.
We have extra love on this day, this very special Valentine's Day. I want to thank you guys for being my guests.
I mean, sometimes it's hard to
It's been a pleasure. It has been a pleasure. And thank you to our studio audience. And that's it for Cat Cooks this time. We'll see you guys next time. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Don't forget to tell everybody to buy the merch.
Oh, yeah. Grandma's
That's all I
making
need now is
merch right
We
now.
have merch. We have
Just go to our
It'll be
website,
fine.
catcooks.org and .gov, sorry. And also, I wanted to feature this beautiful trifle cake that Graham made. It's very nice. If you want the recipe, please comment down below. Make sure to like this video,
Yay!
subscribe,
Count it where you can.
Wow,
Hit the bell
really
when
good.
and hit the bell.
We gotta try this.